Welcome to the cult of the CR500 Ministries. I'm sorry, I meant CR500. This is our Pope, Richard Simmons. Tonight we give praise for all of his work and dedication to the CR500. Our Pope, Richard Simmons. Thank you, Richard, for all of your dedication to the CR500. Now we will read from the sacred book, the Bible of the CR500. Now we will read from the sacred book of the CR500. Today, we will read from Clutch and Transmission, paragraph 3, verse 2. Slide off the thrust washer, first gear, and the first gear bushing. Slide off the thrust washer and the fifth gear. Remove the circlip and spline the washer. Slide off third gear and the thrust washer. Slide off fourth gear. From the other end of the shaft, remove the thrust washer. Slide off second gear and the second gear bushing. Check each gear for excessive wear, burrs, pitting, or chipped or missing teeth. Make sure the lugs on the gears are in good condition.
Visit us on the web at cultofcr500.com. Link in the description. You'll see all kinds of good stuff on the website. Articles, rituals, prayers. We even got a members section where we're adding members all the time. And we even talk about our Pope, Richard Simmons.
Now is the time of the evening where we spread the gospel of the CR500.
Hey there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Kyle Brotherson.
You cow bastard! I can't fucking believe it! You are riding a KTM! That is a piece of bike! Can't even believe you're not riding a CR500. What is KTM? Is that a Chinese bike? Is it an Australian bike? Is that from Indonesia? Oh my god! With the warrior come walking what is the CR500? Ah!
This tire, it looks horrible.
No, it looks horrible. That stupid bike doesn't look like a CR500, and it has more horsepower, and the more horsepower. I can't believe it. Can't believe it. I ride CR500. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh my goodness. Goodness gracious.
And that is pretty much it for how we spread the ministry and the gospel of the CR500. Most of our members have never even owned a CR500, let alone ridden one, or even a dirt bike in general. But that's okay. They know what they're talking about.